The massage ball exercise for feet helps reduce foot pain and promote overall foot health by relieving tension and improving circulation. Incorporate this foot massage into your routine, especially if you're on your feet a lot or have been experiencing foot discomfort. Here's how to do it correctly. You can complete the massage ball exercise for feet while sitting down in a chair, on the floor, or even standing on your own or while holding a sturdy object for balance. Standing allows you to place more pressure on the feet. However, it's most important to find a position where you are relaxed and balanced. Starting with one foot at a time, place the massage ball under the arch of one foot. Gently press your foot down onto the ball while adjusting the pressure based on your comfort level. You should feel a firm but not a painful sensation. Slowly roll the ball back and forth under your foot from the heel to the ball of the foot. Once you find any tight or tender spots, focus on that area by applying more pressure if it feels good, but avoid causing pain. Spend approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute on each foot. Repeat the same steps on your other foot. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.